Alright, let's talk about the new iPhone. Fresh out of the box, it's clear this is a premium device. The packaging, as always with Apple, is meticulous. You can tell they sweat the details. First impressions, it feels incredibly well built, the materials are top-notch. We'll dive deeper into design later, but for now, let's just say Apple knows how to make a good-looking phone. Stay tuned for a full breakdown of what's new and improved. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This year's iPhone sticks with a familiar design language. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? But there are subtle refinements. The edges are slightly more rounded, the camera bump is a bit larger, housing some serious tech. We'll get to that later. The color options are fresh, with a new signature color that pops. Overall, it feels incredibly comfortable in hand. The build quality is exceptional. It's clear Apple put a lot of thought into the design. Okay, let's talk about the unboxing. Lifting the lid, you're immediately greeted by the iPhone itself. It's like unwrapping a piece of jewelry. Underneath, you'll find the usual suspects. You've got your lightning cable, although some might be hoping for USB-C. There's a basic power adapter included, and of course, the iconic white Apple stickers. The unboxing experience is classic Apple. It's simple, elegant, and it just feels premium. They know how to build anticipation. Now let's talk specs. This iPhone packs the latest A-series chip. Translation, it's blazing fast. We're talking console-level graphics performance. The base storage option has been bumped up, which is always welcome. And the display? It's stunning. Sharper, brighter, and more responsive than ever. Apple also made improvements to the battery life. We'll put those claims to the test later. But on paper, this phone is a beast. Section 5, Camera Prowess, Capturing Moments. Let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. Apple made some significant upgrades this year. The sensors are larger, which means better low-light performance. They've also introduced some cool new software features. There's a new cinematic mode for video recording. And the portrait mode is even more impressive. We'll need to spend more time with it, but first impressions are very promising. This could be the best smartphone camera yet. Section 6, Battery Life, Power Through Your Day. Battery life is crucial and Apple knows it. They claim this iPhone has the best battery life ever, and from my initial testing it seems promising. I was able to get through a full day of heavy use without needing to recharge. That's impressive. Of course your mileage may vary depending on your usage, but it's good to see Apple focusing on battery life. Nobody wants a phone that dies in the middle of the day. Section 7, Performance and Software, a Seamless Symphony. As expected from Apple, the performance is buttery smooth. The new A-series chip flies through everything I throw at it. Gaming is a joy, with no lag or stutter. The software experience is classic iOS. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and just works. They've added some new features, but the core experience remains familiar. Overall, the combination of hardware and software makes for a truly seamless and enjoyable experience. Section 8, The Price of Innovation Value Proposition. Let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Yes, this iPhone is expensive, but you're getting what you pay for. It's a premium device with cutting-edge technology. The question is it worth the premium? That depends on your needs and budget. If you're looking for the absolute best, then yes. However, there are more affordable options out there. It's all about finding the right balance for you. Section 9, Final Verdict, to upgrade or not. So, is the new iPhone worth the hype? In short, yes, it's a fantastic phone with a lot to offer. The camera is incredible, the performance is blazing fast, and the battery life is impressive. However, the high price tag might be a barrier for some. If you're on a budget, there are more affordable options available. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to upgrade is a personal one. But there's no denying that this is one impressive piece of technology.